Hello everyone. Today I'll be teaching you what are print functions. So you have seen this hello world like in like math books and like something like that. You have seen this like once in life. I guarantee you. Okay? So I'll be teaching you how to implement print functions. So what this function does is it uh it prints it prints information to the user in the output terminal. If I so this is a print statement, and if I go and run the script, I will see that it writes hello world in the output. So you can use this to give information to the user. So first of all, if you want to implement a print function, you need to do is write print and then close brackets and brackets, just enter brackets, then a string, then the comma, double comma. You can use single comma or triple commas, but triple commas are not a good way, so I will just recommend you to use double quotes. So then we can type whatever you want to print to the terminal, like subscribe, and it will print it in the terminal. So as you can see, subscribe. So you can do this in variable form also. You can do this in numbers also. So if you print then 2.5, then it will print 2.5. So you get the point. The print functions are really easy to implement. It's not that hard. So if I create a variable my variable, then store the value like 2.5, then or like a 4, value 4. So if the print statement is also like able to perform math operations. So if I do 2 plus 2, then print my variable, then what we'll do is it will print 4. Okay, so if we have like 2 alone, then it will print 2. So you get the point. It's also able to perform math operations. So if we enter this without a variable, it will still uh, uh, do the math operation. As you can see, the output is 4. So we can make it more professional if you want to. Let's create a variable called my variable, then store the value hello or 5 plus 5, then we print the value, then my variable, or we can make it more uh, professional. So but when you are adding text in a print statement, so basically in a bracket, you need to use double quotes or single quotes if you want to. So it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. So we can use triple double quotes. Then we enter the solution. The answer is, then we enter the comma. So I give space here because if you print this, then it will give a space. So it will print like this. Okay, like this. It will, but it will. I will recommend you to give a space here. Then if you want, you can give space, but if you want extra spaces, you can just give space over here. So, so now if after a string, you need to add commas. So as you can see, because it will show error, like as you can see, the answer is perhaps before a comma. So you don't forget to add commas. Okay, so now you know what print statements are. Now we can perform a decimal value thing, decimal value operation. So we can do this 2.5 plus 2, then print our variable, so decimal values. But it will be more professional if you add flow as the value, because it will be more, it will enter, it will just enter the value always in float. So but I don't. You can do whatever you want to. Just enter a random number. So now you get what are print statements. I want you to do an objective. Okay. So I want you to do is create a variable, any variable you like, then print it, print the value in the terminal, print it, then tell me if it worked in the comments. I will see you again in the next video. Bye.